in the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, a land of shifting sands. Now stands still, only to rise again, higher than ever before. The UAE remembers where it came from. The silence of dunes, the whisper of wind, stories passed around campfires. Now echoed in corridors of skyscrapers. In its classrooms, a new generation dreams beyond stars, girls coding futures. Boys launching ideas. Innovation, not as a trend, but a tradition reborn. Art speaks here. In strokes, scripts, sculptures. It's a nation that paints not just walls, but minds. It's women leading ministries. Piloting planes, designing futures. This is equality, woven into the UAE's story. From AI hubs to green tech startups, the UAE builds not just with concrete, but with conscience. Hospitality is more than a tradition. It's a heartbeat. You don't just visit the Emirates. You're welcomed into its soul. In a land once fueled by oil, now powered by sun. The journey towards sustainability has already begun. Here, faiths coexist, cultures converge, and peace is not just policy, it's practice. The UAE, a canvas painted with progress and pride. Not just tall towers, but tall dreams. Not just oil, but ideas, identity, and inclusivity. This is the United Arab Emirates, rooted in heritage, racing toward the future, and ready for the world.